Number 2 is saying that for two resistors R1 and R2 connected in parallel, the relative error in their equivalent resistance is where R1 is 10.0 plus minus 0.1 ohm and R2 is 20.0 plus minus 0.4 ohm. First option is 0.08 and second option is 0.05 and third option is 0.01 and fourth option is 0.04. Now we will move on to its solution. For parallelly connected resistance, we know that R equivalent equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by R equivalent equals to R2 plus R1 divided by R1 and R2. Taking LCM, we can write that. Now we will now taking reciprocal of R equivalent, that is R equivalent, 1 by R equivalent will be R equivalent. So R equivalent equals to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now putting the value of R1 and R2, R1 is 10.0 and R2 is 20.0. So R equivalent will be 20 by 3. That is the main value 20 by 3. Now for relative error in R equivalent, the formula is delta R parallel divided by R parallel square equals to delta R1 divided by R1 square plus delta R2 divided by R2 square. Now one R is here and RP square, so here is something we took here. We take here one RP is here and another RP is here. So now we put the value of R1 delta R1 R2 R1 square, this value, all the value we will put. The value of delta R1 is from the question we can say that the value of delta R1 is 0.1 and R2 is 0.4. so we will put this value delta 0.1 and 0. And the value of R1 is 10 and the 10 and the value of R2 is 20. So we will put all this value here. 10 square plus 20 square and one RP is here and another RP value we just calculated it before, that is 20 by 3. So we will put this here 20 by 3 and now we will calculate it and the answer, then I will teach the calculation also. So 10 square is 100 and 100, and for this point we take another extra 0 and here is also 20 square is 400 and for this point we take another 0. Now we will cut this 4 and 4000, that is 1 by 1000. So we taking LCM as 1000, 1 plus 1 and 20 by 3 was already there. So 22 1 on 2 and 2 and this we just cut 1 0 and 1 0 and that is 2 into 2 divided by 300. Now it will come 4 by 300, that means 1 by 75 and if we calculate this will be 0.01. Option number 3 is the correct answer.